So, hello everyone, welcome back on our YouTube channel of Unacademy. And as you know that we have started the preparation for term second examination for ISC board. So you can join our Unacademy plus subscription. Okay, and you will be getting a 10% discount, and the code will be given to you. By using my code you can get 10% discount. So first of all, let me introduce myself to all of you, as I'm a maths educator on an academy, and my name is Sanam Jain, and I have done masters in mathematics, and I'm having more than 8 years of teaching experience of teaching mathematics in different boards like CBSE, ICSE, ISC, and other state boards also. So definitely I can help you out to learn mathematics, and I'll teach you that how to tackle with the different problem related to mathematics, right? So let's see that how many students are going to join about today's session, and how many are going to be benefited. Here you can see that today's topic is about measure of central tendency part 1. That means today we are going to start with the statistics part. Okay, and today we will study about the measure of central tendency. Okay, in which we will study about mean, median, and mode, like this. Okay, so here this is a topic of class 11th that we are going to start today, and I hope that you are knowing that we have already started the plus uh, batches as a crash course of class 11th and 12th for ISC board. And so if you want to be a part of plus subscription on an academy, then this is my code, as you can see over here, which is Sanam J Live, SANAM JLIVE. You can use this code and you will be getting a 10% discount, and you will be able to watch the free classes also on an academy by using this code. Okay, so go and get it as soon as possible. And as you know that today is Republic Day, right? So today, on this Republic Day, first of all I would like to say to all of you that a very happy Republic Day to all of you. Okay, and as we know that today we are going to celebrate 26th January. So here, if you're going to take subscription plan on an academy on these dates like 25, 26, and 27, that means these dates from 25 to 27. 25 is already, I think, gone. Now today is 26 and you're having time till tomorrow, right? So what is the special part over here, that if you are going to take 1 year subscription or more than 1 year subscription, that means if you are going to take 1 year or more than 1 year subscription as a plus subscription on an academy, then you will be getting 6 month free extension on this Republic Day. That means this is the best part that can be ever given by an academy, right? So please go for it and get plus 6 month subscription and get benefited as soon as possible. And for that you can use my code, which is Sanam J Live. You can use my code Sanam J Live. Okay, and for that, when you use this code, you will be able to get 10% discount also. That means you are having two benefits now, that you will be able to have 6 month free extension and you will be having 10% discount too. Okay, so first of all, I would like to say to all of you, if you have not joined our Telegram channel on an academy, so you can go with the description box, and there you can click on the link, and you will be having the link over there. So you can join our Telegram channel, and you will be having the updates regarding your special classes which are going to be conducted on a regular basis, right? And to watch these free classes, you can use my code, which is Sanamj Live, and you can get benefited with the free classes over there, right? Now, as you know that you can subscribe us on YouTube also now, as you have given so much love to us on our app. So first of all, I just want to request you to complete this 1,000 subscriber target, because I know this is very easy for you to complete, and you will give so much love to us. So here, just like our channel, subscribe us, and click on the bell icon, because if you are not going to click on the bell icon, you will not be getting the updates regarding your classes, right? So please click on the bell icon so you will be getting the every update about the classes which are going to be conducted on regular basis, right? And let's start with the topic today, that is measure of central tendency. So as you can see on the screen, that an average or a central value of a statistical series is the value of variable which describes the characteristics of entire distribution. That means if you are having any kind of data, basically what is data? The information you are collecting in the form of numerical value, that is called data, right or not? So if you are going to tackle with the data as an average or central value of a statistical series. That means statistics basically used to tackle with data only, right or not? And data is a what? Data is a numerical value of any kind of information. When you're collecting any information in the form of numerical value, that becomes data. And where you are going to tackle with data, it becomes statistics. That means the statistics is the study of data, how to analyze the data, how to tackle with the data. These are the information given in the statistics. So it is a part of statistics only as a measure of central tendency. So an average or central value of a statistical series is the value of variable which describes the characteristics of the entire distribution. That means it will give you the information about the entire distribution, how the distribution has been taken. Now, as you can see over here, we are having five measures basically to find the central tendency over here. As one of the we have studied from class 6th as arithmetic mean. One we have studied geometric mean recently and harmonic mean in 10th class also. Now, median and mode. These are the basic which we have studied in class 9th and 10th, right? So these are some kind of five measures we can say as a central tendency. So we have to study about them. But basically, we are going to use this arithmetic mean and median over here to be used in class 11th and 12th. Okay, because we have to move forward with the description of mean and median. Okay, so we are going to use it further also, but how do we use it? How do we tackle with them? This we are going to study today. Let's see. First of all, let us recap about the arithmetic mean first of all, as you have studied from the previous classes. As what is arithmetic mean actually? Arithmetic mean is what? You are going to find the average of the middle value, right? You can say you are finding the average or you are finding the mean value of any statistical data, that is called arithmetic mean. So here for ungrouped data, for a particular ungrouped data, we are having a direct method to find out the mean. Basically, direct method is applied for ungrouped data only. As just suppose they have given if the series in this case be x1, x2 till xn. These are some kind of observation. These are observations which is given you as data. This we can call as observation. Understood? So when any observations are given, when most of the observations are given to you, and if you are going to take out the mid value, or we can say you are going to take out the mean average value of it, so we can say it is called arithmetic mean. So here we can apply the direct method to find out this, as we are having the formula as x bar is equals to x bar is known as mean only. You can say that is this is am, which is called arithmetic mean. Okay, which we can say over here sum of the series upon number of the series, right? So sum of the series upon number of the series is what? X bar we are going to represent with the am, and x1 plus x2 plus x3, these are going to take as the sum of the observation and divided by number of observation. This we are studying from class 6, I think, right? So I don't think so that you need to clarify it. So basically, if the observations are given like just suppose it is given to you 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 like this and so on. So here if you have to find out the arithmetic mean for this ungrouped data, because this is not grouped, this is given as a number directly by given as separated numbers. So we can use over here as a direct method to find out the mean, and we can take them as x1, x2, we can consider this x3, we can consider this x4, x5, x6 like this and so on. Okay, so how many observations given to you? That will be known as n only, number of observation, and you have to find the sum of the observation divided by number of the observation. So you will be getting the mean from here, and this formula, and this can also be represented as the summation sign. As you can see over here, this is written over here summation, and we are always writing I tends to 1. What does it mean? I actually just going to represent the observation. How many observations are here? From 1 to n. So we can write here summation of observation from 1 to n. This one I is equals to 1 to n means that we are going to add all the observations from x1 to xn. Okay, and we can write here x. So this is called summation of all the observation, which are going to be written over here like this, and we can divide it by n, so you will be getting the arithmetic mean from here. Understood? So this we have also studied in class 10th. So I think this is a basic part for you, that how to find the arithmetic mean by using this direct method or direct formula. Right. Now, one of the method we have is a shortcut method we have also studied, as if we have to find out the arithmetic mean over here. Right. So we can use assumed mean. This is also called as assumed mean method, if you have studied about. Right. A is over here assumed mean, and this is called deviation. As you can see over here, summation of d, that means this is a sum of deviations. Okay, and d is equals to deviation from assumed mean. That means if you are finding d over here for each observation, it will be like xi minus a will be known as assumed mean over here, and xi will be each observation. Hello Chandan, can you hear me? Hello Chandan Kumar, can you hear me, my dear? If you can hear me, then please give a reply so I can be able to understand that you are going to communicate. Okay, very good. Hello. So, Chandan, as you know that today we are going to start with the introduction part of measure of central tendency. Have you ever studied about this chapter? Write in the chat box. And this session is going to be helpful for you if you have not studied anything, because I am just going to start with the scratch, so you can be a part of this session and definitely will be benefited. And you can see here, as I was describing about the shortcut method, and there are some kind of notations are given to you. As x bar we always known as arithmetic mean, and a is assumed mean, d is deviation. If we are using sigma over here, that means summation of deviations from each observation, right? Just suppose it is given to you like 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 and so on. So what we are going to do physically, first of all, we need to find out the assumed mean, okay, from the data. Okay, or data, this is a ungrouped data, right? Data can be given in the grouped form also. So from there you can easily find the assumed mean, and you can find the deviation. Deviation is just about from assumed mean. That means from each observation you have to just subtract this assumed mean. Okay, so you will be getting the deviation for each observation. After that, you will be finding the sum of this deviation and dividing by n. N is over here number of items only, or you can say number of terms. We can say over here. You can say number of observation also, right? And here x minus a. So it is already written over here. X is the individual item. That means if you are using xi, this is for each observation, right? For each item it will be used. So this formula we have used in class 10th. If you have gone through with it, or if you have not used, then definitely we can use it further when we'll do the questions. So this is basically a shortcut method to find the arithmetic mean. Okay. Now I am giving you for group data. If any group data is given to you, and if you have to find out the arithmetic mean, so we are having one of the formula as direct method we can apply over here, that we have studied, as if the terms are given in the series B x1 x2 xn, and the corresponding frequencies are given like f1 f2 fn, then arithmetic mean will be. That means the data will be given like, in one side it will be given to you xi, or one side it will be given to you fi. Like this it will be given to you, and each observation is having some frequency also over here. Just suppose I am writing over here 5, the frequency is 2. I am writing over here 6, the frequency is 4. If I am writing 7, the frequency is 3. And I am writing 9, and the frequency is 4 again. Right? So maybe if we have to find the arithmetic mean for this kind of data, so we are having some of the process, as we will write over here x bar, which is your assumed mean, or you can say arithmetic mean. Sorry, not assumed mean, arithmetic mean. And here f1 into x1, f2 into x2, that means simply just make one more table. Like one side you can write f, one side you can write f, x f, and one side you can find out x into f. Okay, so after that, as you are writing, just suppose 5, 6, 7, and 9. Here you can write 2, 4, 3, and 4. So find out f, x into f. First of all, 10, 6 4s are 24, 7 3s are 21, 9 4s are 36. So when you are finding this for each observation, then we have to find out the total of it. So total is actually written as summation. You can write here from I tends to 1 to 4, because we are having 4 observation. So and you can take as 4. Okay, for fi into xi, that will be equal to how much? See, you can add them. 6 plus 4 10, plus 1 11, we can write over here, and 3 plus 2 5, plus 3 8, 1 9. So your summation will be 9, right? So you can put up over here as a summation. This is the formula, so you can put up over here summation of f into x from I tends to 1 to n. After that, we can find summation of frequency also. How many frequencies are given? We have to find the sum for them. As you can see over here, these are some frequency. So when you are going to take the sum of these frequency, it will be considered as summation of f from I tends to 1 to n. From I tends to 1 to n, you can write over here. That will be equal to how much? 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 4, 13. So like this, we can directly write over here 91 by 13, and you must be knowing that 13 sevens are 91. So you'll be having the arithmetic mean as 7. So like this, we can easily find the direct method. That means we can use the direct method to find out the arithmetic mean for group data. Understood? Now, if the group data is given and we have to find out the arithmetic mean by using shortcut method. Understood? So this also we have studied, like a plus f x minus a, or we can also replace this x minus a as d, because you know d is a deviation which can be written as xi minus a. So we can replace this x minus a with d. So your formula can be written as like x bar is equals to a plus summation of f into d, and you can use over here I, because I shows each observation. Understood? Divided by summation of fi. Okay, and you can also mention here I tends to 1 to n over here also and over here also. So it will show we are finding the sum of the frequency for each observation, and we have also here also we are finding a sum of the frequency, and we are including each observation, right? Understood? So like this, we can easily find the mean by using the shortcut method. Understood? You know x minus a is a deviation, as I told you, from each item or assumed mean. So these are the basics regarding arithmetic mean. Okay, now it comes about median, right? So what is actually median? First of all, we need to understand this. So median is a central value of the set of observation. Median is a central value of the set of observation, provided all the observation are arranged in ascending or descending order. That means when you are having any data, when you are having some kind of observations in a numerical form, so when you are, first of all, you are arranging them as a ascending or descending order. Out of them, the central value you will use, you will choose to find out. Okay, after that, that will be known as median only. Understood? That means when some of kind of observation are given to you, okay, and we can write over here as just suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. As you can see, that they are already in ascending order, right or not? If they are in ascending order, then you must be knowing that we can find the median, and median will be a central value. Median will be a central value which can be out of these only. Understood? So we can consider this as the median is the central value of the set of observation, provided all the observations are arranged in ascending or descending order. It can be found out by using this also, that you are writing this observation as 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That means you can also write the data as in the form of ascending order or descending order. Both can be done. Okay, is that clear? Now just keep in mind that it is generally used when effect of extreme items is to be kept out. That means when most of extreme items are going to be effect or we have to keep the data, so we always find the median. Understood? Now, median basically for individual series, that means just suppose any individual series is given to you as if the data is raw data. Okay, so first of all we have to arrange in ascending or descending order. Then we need to just count the number of observation. Then we need to count the number of observation. So as you can see over here, we have taken the previous data as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. So if these kind of observations are given to you, you have already arranged in ascending order. So now what can be done? You have to count them. So as you know, these are 10 observations. So we have taken n is equals to 10. Now you have to consider them or you have to recognize them that they are even or odd. Number of observation is coming as even or odd. If it is coming even, we are having different formula for this. Okay. And if we are having odd, we are having different formula for this. So if as just suppose it is even, so if we have to find out the median, median will be what? Median will be equals to half bracket value of n by 2th term. N by 2th term means n by 2th term is what? 10 by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1. That means 10 by 2 plus 1th term also, right? And divided by nothing because 2 we have already written over here. So we can remove this line and we can write here half of. See, 10 by 2th term is what? 5th term? Yes or no? Plus 10 by 2 plus 1, that means 6th term. Okay, so when you're finding them, half of. Fifth term is what? Fifth term is 5 only. Now, sixth term is what? 6 only. Now, half of them. So, half of 5 plus 6 will be 11. 11 by 2 means 5.5. So, what you are getting as 5.5, it will go in next only. So, your sixth term will be your median. That means this will be your median. Like this, we can find out the median. Here is some of the student writing in different language. I can't understand. Okay, please write in English so it can be able to understand. So I can definitely communicate with you. Okay, my dear. So like this, we can easily find the median. Okay, this also we have studied in class 9th and 10th. So these are some basics which I'm just giving you the recap. After that, I'll show you that what actually we are going to do in class 11 now. Then we will go with the example so you will get better understanding about the question that how we have to study this on next level in class 11th. Understood? This is the basics which I have already gone through in class 10th. That's why I'm just keeping it fast. Okay. Now, if any grouped frequency is given to you, group distribution is given to you. So in that case, you're having the formula like first for series in ascending order. That means if any series is given to you as a group data and you can apply median formula as median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus C divided by F into I. Okay, so basically each notation is written over here as L is known as lower limit of the median class. That means first of all you need to choose the median class. After that only you can find out the median out of them. Understood? So lower limit of the median class, F is the frequency of the median class, N is the sum of all frequency because here they are using capital N. Just keep in mind small l is always known as number of observation. Number of observation. So wherever we are using this small n, you must be knowing these are observations. And when you are using capital N, it is always known as summation of frequency. Or you can write here sum of frequency. Okay, just keep in mind about this because small n is always used as number of observation or capital N is always used for sum of frequency. Understood? So that will be better for you to understand. Now, let's talk about I. I is a width of the median class. Width means what? Class size. Width is actually known as class size, and class size also denoted by H. You can use I over here or you can use H. So class size is known as H also. And C is a cumulative frequency of the class preceding. That means whatever median class you are getting, after that the preceding class, that means next class frequency you have to consider as cumulative frequency. Understood? That will be known as C over here. Okay. So I hope that you understood about this. So these are the some basics which you have already gone through in the class 9th, 10th. Right? Now, one of the formula we have as if they are in descending order, then you can use this that if the series is given you in descending order, so we are having this formula like u minus n by 2 minus c and n by 2 minus c upon f. So you know very well n is sum of observation, f is the frequency of your median class, c is the cumulative frequency preceding the median class, u is the upper limit. Here you are using upper limit of the median class. Previously you were using lower limit, as you can see over here. L plus you are using, this is your lower limit, and if the it is given in descending order, then you have to use U, which is your upper limit. Understand? So like this you can easily find the median. Okay, so here you can see that mean, median and mode basically are the measures of central tendency that you have studied, giving us a rough idea, giving us a only rough idea about the points where the data are centered. They are just giving you the rough idea. Okay, but if you want to have a better idea about the observations or about the data, then we are having the study of mean deviation, and we are having the study of standard deviation. Understood? Mean deviation and we are having the study of standard deviation. These are basically a part of your class 11 which we have to use in questions. Understood? Because you have already studied about mean, median, mode in previous classes, and I have just given you the recap also that what formula we are basically use to find for group data, ungrouped data for mean and median. Right now, you just keep in mind we have to basically find over here as a mean deviation and standard deviation. Okay, so let me introduce about mean deviation. Okay, so but before introducing about mean deviation, I would like to tell you there are some kind of Unacademy subscription feature which you can see over here, as we can learn live from your comfort of your home. Right, one of the feature we have like unlimited access to all the courses. One of the having you are having top educators of India at particular platform. That means on one platform you are having top educators of India, and regular doubt clearing sessions will be there. Exhaustive covering of syllabus, that means we are going to cover whole syllabus of a term second examination. If you are going to be a part of a crash course which is already started from 3rd of January and 17th of January. The batches are started from 3rd of Jan and 17th of Jan. That means recently also we have started one of the batch. So you can be a part of these crash courses and you can use my code for that. That is Sanam J Live, as you can see over here. This is Sanam J Live is my code, and you will be getting 10% discount for that. Okay, so if you want to be a part of this kind of crash course in which we are going to complete the whole syllabus of your term and second examination, then you can be a part of this mentor guidance or mentorship and guidance also. Then you will be having a study material as a PDF format. You will be having a practice test. You will be having live test series. You will be having all the different kind of batch courses. So you can be a part of different batch courses as per your convenience, right? Now, as you can see, if you are going to be a part of Plus subscriber, how much you need to pay basically. So as you can see over here, if you are going to buy any kind of t-shirt or anything, it comes I think in this price as 750 rupees per month. That means you have to pay only 750 rupees per month if you take the 48 months plan. Right? If you are going to take 42 months plan, you are going to pay only 771 rupees per month. Similarly, 36 months you have to pay only 800. For 24 months you have to pay 938 per month. For 18 months you have to pay 1000 per month. That means if you are going to take 12 months or more than 12 months plan, then there's an there is a very good news for you that you are also getting 10% discount. But by getting 10% discount, you are having one of the good news also. As I've already explained you that if you are going to take your subscription from the date of 25 to 27 January, that means now only 26 and 27 is remaining for you. Okay, so if you are going to take the subscription on these dates, then you will be having plus 6 months extra subscription. That means you are getting plus 6 months extra subscription if you are going to take 12 months or more than 12 months plan. Understood? So, and after that, when you are going to put my code over here in the description box, so when you write over here as Sanam Sanam J Live, then you will be getting 10% discount also. That means this is the best offer for you right now. That on the occasion of Republic Day, you will be having 10% discount also, and you will be getting 6 month extra subscription also to tackle with your different kinds of courses. Okay, which are going to provide by Unacademy. Now, as you can see, as I told you that we have started one of the batch as a crash course on 3rd of January. Okay, and here we are going to name as champion batch, in which all the subject batches we have started like physics, maths, chemistry and bio, as you can see, and all the deliveries will be in English over here. And you can subscribe us for ISC class 11 and 12, and subscription will be absolutely free. That means by taking the free subscription by using my code Sanam J Live, by using my code SanamJ Live, you will be getting free access for the special classes. You'll be getting free access for the special classes. Okay, if you are going to be a part of the subscription, and you can use my code, so you'll be getting a free access about them. Understood? And one of the batches we have started as Mavericks batch, in which we have already started with the all subject batches like physics, chemistry, maths, and bio again, and delivery will be in English. And you can also have a part of free subscription as a using my code by Sanamj Live, and you will be able to get the free lectures as a special class in the Unacademy app. Understood? Now, is there's a one more plan for you. Okay, as you can see over here, ICSE board students for 9 to 12. That means if you are going to belong to the class of anyone 9 to 12, then there's a great offer for you. Like, first of all, this offer is just till 31st January. Okay, one of the offer we are going to give on 26th and 27th January, right? As we are giving plus 6 months extra. So this is the best for you if you are going to take this one. Or just suppose you are unable to check out on these dates and you are going to check out on 28, 29, 30, 31. 28, 29, 30 and 31. If you are going to check out on these dates and you're going to take the subscription, then just buy plus subscription as 12 months and above. And when you're going to take 12 months and above subscription, you will be getting 3 months extra subscription as a K-12 subscription. Understood? That means when you're going to pay 12 month subscription over here and more than 12 months, so you will be getting 3 months extra. Right? That means if you are going to take the subscription on these date, you will be getting 6 months extra subscription. Or if you are going to take on these dates, then you will be getting 3 months extra. Understood? So just go and get 10% discount also by using my code Sanam J Live, SANAMJLIVE. Use this code and get 10% discount also, and just be a part of Unacademy and be a first 500 subscriber of ISC board or ICSE board. Understood? Because this offer is valid for first 500 subscriber of ISC board. Understood? So just go for it and get it. And as you can see, one of my special class details are here. Theorems of total probability, if you want to learn, which is going to be conducted by tomorrow, that is 27th January, and the timing is 7:45 to 8:45. And on these timings, regular on alternate days, right? On alternate days, as just suppose we are talking about 27, then the class will be taken on 29. That means on alternate days, the class are going to be conducted as a special class. And if you want to be a part of that class, then go in description box, click on the link, or you can go for the code which is Sanam J Live. So you'll be getting a free access for these classes. Understood? Now, when you are getting Unacademy's free special classes, what are the features you will be able to see? You can see here that you are able to be having real-time interaction by using chats and emojis. Okay, and you can see over here that you can also be a part of these polls which are going to be conducted by the educator. Okay, and here you will be a part of this poll leadership also, that if you are going to give answer on the educator's poll, then definitely your ranking will be here, and you can understand that where you are going to stand in a number of students. Okay, and here also you can ask your questions by using this question tab. You can type your question, you can attach the image of the question. Okay, so you can clear your query with the educator. So these are some kind of features which you will see on Unacademy app. So for that, first of all, just download the Unacademy app, click on the get started button, put up your mobile number over here and click on continue. So when you click on continue, you will be having some details to fill. After that, you will be having to choose the option for which one of the goal. Chandan is saying, sir, Hindi में भी classes चलता है. My dear, for class 11th and 12th, the classes are just for English only. Okay, but for class 9th and 10th, the classes are going to run for Hindi and English both. Okay, I hope you understand this policy. Or wherever you are facing problem in English in the live class, you can ask to us. Definitely we will help you out. It doesn't mean that we are going to speak in English only. If the student is facing any problem, we will definitely help you out with that. Understood? The concept should be clear. It doesn't mean we are going to give you as a English lecture or Hindi lecture, right? The concept will be clear to you. Wherever you are facing query, you can definitely ask to us, so we will clear it. Okay, and out of selecting this 6 to 12th option, as you are a student for class 6 to 12th, so you can choose for your class as a CBSE or ICSE, right? So if you are a student of ISC class 11th or 12th, you can go for that, and you can choose your language as English, Hindi, and combination of Hindi English. Okay, and after that, go in the description box, just click on the special class link, click on notify me, so you'll be get the updates of this class before 10 minutes of starting the class. Understood? Before 10 minutes the class begins. Clear? And if you are going to use my code, which is Sanam J Live, SANAM JLIVE, when you use this code, you will be able to unlock your special class for free, right? Hindi lecture. Chandan, do you belong to ISC board or any other board? First confirm this to me. आप आईएससी बोर्ड से बिलोंग करते हैं या किसी अदर बोर्ड से बिलोंग करते हैं? Mention your answer. Okay, so let's start with the mean deviation now. As we have studied about mean, median, mode, so I told you that basically they are just giving you a normal information. That means if you have to calculate the deviation, that means which is going to be occur at a higher level, then we have to use this kind of mean deviation and standard deviation. Okay, so here we are having one of the mean deviation as we are going to study about this. So mean deviation, first of all, for ungrouped data, we have mean deviation for ungrouped data. So the formula is about mean deviation about mean. First of all, we are having mean deviation about mean, and here we are having mean deviation about median. Understand? So we are having these two options to be okay. Other board, no issues. Beta, wherever you are facing any problem, you can just ask to me. That will be better to communicate. आपको जहां भी प्रॉब्लम आती है, you can ask me. I'll clear your query. Okay. Okay, you are going to belong to Bihar board. Fine. No issues. The syllabus is completely same. There are just less changes. Okay. बहुत ही कम चेंजेस हैं, तो आप जहां भी आपको प्रॉब्लम आती है, यू कैन आस्क टू मी, आई विल क्लियर यू आउट. ओके, मैं आपको क्लियर कर दूंगा. जहां भी आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है, समझ में नहीं आए कॉन्सेप्ट, तो मैं आपको क्लियर कर दूंगा. बट टर्म्स जो होंगे बेटा, यू हैव टू स्टडी इन इंग्लिश ओनली. आप चाहे बिहार बोर्ड से हो, चाहे किसी भी बोर्ड से हो, आपके जो टर्म्स हैं आपको इंग्लिश में ही पढ़ने, क्योंकि आगे भी आपको इंग्लिश में ही यूज होंगे ये टर्म्स. तो इट विल बी बेटर फॉर यू इफ यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द टर्म्स इन इंग्लिश. बाकी आप हिंदी में समझ सकते हैं, देयर इज नो इश्यूज, राइट? So here we are finding the mean deviation about the mean and median. Two options we have. Okay. If we are going to find out the mean deviation about the mean, then the formula will be summation of I tends to 1 to n. That means आपको 1 से लेके n observations तक का सम निकालना है, और वो सम किसका निकालना है? x minus x bar. ये जो आपका x bar है यहाँ पे, that is called arithmetic mean, as you know. X bar is known as arithmetic mean. So you have to just deviate arithmetic mean from each observation. You have to deviate mean from each observation, and you have to find the sum of it. And when you are going to divide it with number of observation, then you will be getting the mean deviation about the mean. Similarly, if you have to find out the mean deviation about the median, so from each observation, as you can see over here, from each observation you have to subtract the median. After that, you have to find the sum of it, and we have to divide it by n. So we will be getting mean deviation about the median. Okay, so let's understand with the example, so it will be better understand for you. Let's see over here. In this question, we have to just find out the mean deviation about the mean. So as I told you, first of all, write the formula over here. So it will be better for you to understand. Right? So when we are writing the formula over here as mean deviation about the mean. So we'll write over here mean deviation of x bar is equals to. The formula says summation for I tends to 1 to n of each deviation of each observation from the mean. So xi minus x bar divided by n. Okay, this is just for ungrouped data. As you can see, the data is given to you as ungrouped data. So for this, we can use this formula. बेटा रात में क्लास जो है आपका 11th की जो क्लास होती है 9 to 10 PM होती है. Unacademy पे जो क्लास होती है 9 to 10 PM. The timings are 9 PM to 10 PM on alternate days. This is the fixed time on which the class has to be taken. Okay, so you can be a part of these classes. Okay, and you can use my code, which is Sanam Jain Live. So you'll be able to watch these classes as free. Understood? So here, let's do this question first of all. First of all, you need mean over here. Okay, so if we have to find the mean deviation about the mean, so first of all, you need to take out mean only. Okay, so let's find out the mean. To find out mean for ungrouped data, the formula says sum of observation divided by number of observation. Right or not? So we are going to find the mean over here as 15 plus 17 plus 10 plus 13 plus 7 plus 18 plus 9 plus 6 plus 14 and plus 11. And this is going to divide by, just count the observation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total observations are 10. So from here we are going to find बेटा 12th का जो टाइमिंग है वो 7:45 से 8:45 है. For class 12th 7:45 to 8:45 on alternate days. Okay, just note this down. So here just find out the sum now. 15 plus 17, 32 plus 10, 42, 42 plus 13. So 42 plus 10, 50, 53, 40, see over here, 15 plus 17, 32 plus 10, 42, 42 plus 10, 52 plus 3, 55 plus 7, 62 plus 18. That means 80, 89, 95, 95 plus 10, 105 plus 4, 109, 109 plus 11, 120. That means the sum is coming 120 by 10. That means we are getting 12 as arithmetic mean. Understood? Now we have taken out x bar. Now what do we need to do? We have to just deviate this x bar from each observation first of all. Okay. So you can go for the table also. One side you can write x I, one side you can write xi minus x bar. Understand? So just write down the values over here. 15, 17, 10, 13, 7, 18, 9, 6, 14 and 11. Okay. The space is not here. Now, let's go for x minus x bar. Okay. So we will be having, first of all, x bar is 12, 15 minus 12. So 15 minus 12 will be equal to 3. Now 17 minus 12, that means 5. 7, then 10 minus 12. 10 minus 12 means minus 2. 13 minus 12, that means 1. 7 minus 12, matlab minus 5. 18 minus 12, that means 6. 9 minus 12, that means minus 3. 6 minus 12, that means minus 6. 14 minus 12, that means 2. And 11 minus 12 is how much? That means minus 1. This is for 11. Okay. Now, we have to find the sum of it because they in formula they are asking the summation of it. Sister 19, what does it mean? Please write in English. That will be better to communicate. Whoever is writing this message. So here now we need to find the summation of it, right? So we are writing as a mean deviation about the mean is equals to. Now we are writing each observation over here as 3 plus 5 plus minus 2 plus 1 plus minus 5 plus 6 plus minus 3 plus minus 6 plus 2 and plus minus 1. Understand? Now divided by 10. Number of observations are 10. So now add them. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. Minus 3, 5. Minus 6, minus 1. Plus 2, 1. And 1 minus 1, 0. That means 0 upon 10. So your answer will be 0. Like this, we can find out the mean deviation about the median and mean. Okay. So like this, you can go for solving. Now, one of the question we are going for mean deviation about the median. Now we are going to solve mean deviation about the median. So in this case, we have to find out the median of this data, right? So if we have to find out the median of this data, so first of all, write the observations in ascending or descending order. So first of all, I am writing the observations in ascending or descending order. I'm writing over here ascending order. So we will be having small number as 6. After 6, we are having 9. After that, we are having 10, then 11. After 11, 13, then 14. After that, 15. After that, 17. After that, 18. Okay, after that, no number is there. Let's count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Who is left? Let's see, 7 is left. Fine. So we have to write here 7 also. 6 comma 7 will be over here. So first of all, we have written all the given information as ascending order. Okay. Now, what to do? Now our information is about median. So if we have to count the number of observations are coming as n is equals to 20. N is coming 10. That means it is coming even. So what is the formula for median of even number? Median will be n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So this will be your median. Now n by 2th term is what? As n means 10. Now 10 by 2th term plus 10 by 2 plus 1th term and divided by 2. So we are getting here 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2. So which one is the 5th term? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 11 and 6th term is 13. So 11 plus 13 divided by 2. So 11 plus 13 will be 24 upon 2. That means median will be 12. Understand? Our median will be 12. Now after finding the median, what we need to do? Now we need the table to be used. Okay. Now let's go for the table now. You can write over here median is coming 12. Now as we know, if we have to find out the mean deviation about median, that will be is equals to how much? That will be summation of I tends to 1 to n modulus of x minus x bar, okay, divided by n. Fine. Okay. After that, basically it is modulus of x. Okay, fine. In the previous question, we have not used the modulus over here, right? That's why the observations are coming negative, so we are getting answer as 0. So just keep in mind we have to write in plus only. Okay, just get them positive, and now find out the solution. I just forgot in hurry. Okay, just get your solution after adding them as positive. Okay, this is plus 3 only. This you can consider as plus 3. Now just add them and get your solution done. Let me do it for you. Here I just forgot to take the modulus. Okay. So 3 plus 5. See, let me erase all the values which I have written in negative. That will be easy for you to understand. Okay, now just write them. Plus 2, first of all, 2 over here. Here should be 5. Here should be 3 and 6. 6, 3, 6. Then 1. So we can add them. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 5, 16 plus 6, 22 plus 3, 25 plus 6, 31 plus 3. That means 34. So our median will be 3.4. You can add again 5 plus 3, 8 to 10 plus 6, 14 plus 6, 20, 29 plus 3, 32. Again 5 plus 3, 8 to 10 plus 1, 11, 5, 16 plus 6, 22, 25 plus 6, 31 plus 3, 34. Okay, fine. So our median will be 3.4. Understand? Now, as here you have taken out your median, first of all, here we have taken out the median. So in place of x bar, we have to write the median over here because we are finding mean deviation about median. So just change this value over here and write median. Okay. Now, for each observation, we need to find out first of all the deviation. Then we will find the sum. Then we will divide with n. So let's find out it. Let's do it. One side you can write x and one side you can write x minus m. Again and again I just forgot to write median. Okay, this is your x minus m. Okay, and the modulus of it. So basically we are having 10 observations. Just get them out. 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, 17, and last I'm writing 18 over here. So I'm going to erase this. Now 17 and 18. Let's take out now. 6 is x minus median, right? 6 minus 12. That means minus 6. So modulus of this will be 6. 7, that means 5. 9 means 3. 10 means 2. 11 means 1. 13 1 and 3, then 5 and then 6. So we have taken out. Now we have to find out the sum of it. Summation of xi minus m. We can write over here. Okay. So 6 plus 5, 11 plus 3, 14 plus 2, 16 plus 2, 18 plus 3, 21, then plus 5, 26 plus 6, 32. It is coming 32. So we can write over here 32 divided by n. N is what? Number of observation, that is 10. So we are getting 3.2 as the answer. Clear? Hello Aryan. Okay, I didn't see your message, my dear. Where did you didn't understand? आपको कहाँ समझ में नहीं आया? Just let me know. I didn't see your message that you are writing. I don't understand. Right now I've seen. Just write down again, my dear. Where you are facing problem, just let me know. See, first of all, you just need to take out the median by using this formula as we have used over here. And fifth term is what? You can count from here. 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11 will be your fifth term. Sixth term will be 13. So we will find the sum over here. 11 plus 13 divided by 2. 11 plus 13 will be 24 divided by 2. So you are getting 12 as median, which we have written over here. Okay, after that, just one side write x, that means observation. One side you have to write the deviation from median. So x minus m you will write. Now here you have to take out the modulus also, because this will give you a negative value also, but we have to take the modulus so it becomes positive. So here we have taken, just suppose 6 minus 12. So that is minus 6, and the modulus of minus 6 will be plus 6. Okay, then 7 minus 12, that is minus 5. Modulus of minus 5 will be 5. 9 minus 12 minus 3 modulus of minus 3, that will be 3. Like this, we have to take out these values. After that, we have to find the sum of them. So that will be 32. You can see here 6 plus 5 11 plus 3 14 plus 2 16 plus 2 18 plus 3 21 21 plus 11, that is 32. So we have got the sum as 32. Now we can put up the values over here. So 32 by 10, that is 3.2. Okay, so like this we can easily find the mean deviation about the median also, and in the previous one we have taken out the mean deviation about the mean. Okay, so still if you are facing any problem, then you can meet me in the next class, which are going to be conducted on the next day at the same timing. So you can be a part of that session and you can clear your query with me. Okay, Aryan. So see you. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you, everyone. And I'll see you on the next day. And I'm just giving you these questions to be done by you only. Just note them down. For this observation, for these observation, you have to find out the mean deviation about the mean. Okay, and for the same observation, you have to find out the median also. Okay, so just do them by yourself, and we will meet in the next lecture so you can clear any query if you have. Okay, and be with Unacademy. Download your Unacademy app and try all the features for free by using my code Sanam Jain Live. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you, and be with Unacademy. Bye bye.